Do you know the Jhansi Rani of Thiruvanathapuram? Yes! Accamma Cherian, often hailed as the Jhansi Rani of Travancore, was a formidable freedom fighter from Kerala who played a pivotal role in India's struggle for independence. Born on February 14, 1909 in Kanjarapalli, Travancore. She came from a Syrian Christian family. Her father Accamma Cherian and mother Amma instilled in her a strong sense of justice and courage from a young age. Accamma's educational journey began at St. Joseph's High School and continued at St. Teresa's College in Ernakulam, where she earned a teaching degree. Her career as a teacher of St. Mary's English Medium School in Kanjarapalli was marked by dedication and passion. However, the call of the nation soon drew her away from her profession and into the heart of the Indian freedom struggle. Joining the Indian National Congress, Accamma became actively involved in the civil disobedience movement and the Quit India movement. These were times of great turmoil and sacrifice, and Accamma's leadership stood out. One of her most notable actions was in 1938 when she led a massive rally to the Kaudir Palace, the residence of the Maharaja of Travancore. The rally, demanding the resignation of the Diwan, Sir C.P. Ramaswamy Iyer, was a bold move against the oppressive rule of the Diwan. The rally comprised over 20,000 people, a testament to Accamma's ability to mobilize and inspire the masses. Her courage was evident when she declared to the police that if they wanted to shoot, they should shoot her first. This fearless statement earned her the nickname Jhansi Rani of Travancore from none other than Mahatma Gandhi. Such acts of bravery were not isolated incidents in her life. They were a consistent part of her activism. Accamma faced severe consequences for her defiance. She was arrested multiple times and endured significant harassment from the British authorities. Despite these hardships, she remained undeterred and continued to inspire others to join the freedom movement. Her leadership was instrumental in galvanizing the people of Travancore and beyond to stand up against colonial rule. After India gained independence in 1947, Accamma did not rest. She continued her service to the nation by being actively involved in politics and social work. In 1952, she was elected to the Travancore-Cochin Legislative Assembly, where she played a significant role in shaping the political landscape of Kerala. Her dedication to public service was unwavering, and she remained a voice for justice and equality. On a more personal note, Accamma Cherian's life was also marked by her role as a mother and wife. She was married to Vivi Varkey, and they had a son named George V. Varkey. Her personal life, while often overshadowed by her public persona, was equally inspiring, balancing her roles as a mother and a freedom fighter. Accamma demonstrated immense strength and resilience. Her husband, Vivi Varkey, was a supportive partner who understood the significance of her work. Their home became a hub for political discussions and planning sessions, reflecting the couple's joint commitment to the cause of independence. Accamma's activism wasn't limited to political independence. She also championed social reforms. She was a strong advocate for women's rights and education, recognizing that true freedom could only be achieved when all segments of society were empowered. Her efforts led to increased educational opportunities for women and inspired many to pursue education as a means of empowerment. In addition to her public persona, Accamma was deeply committed to grassroots organizing. She traveled extensively across the rural areas of Travancore, organizing women and encouraging them to participate in the freedom movement. She believed in the power of collective action and worked tirelessly to ensure that even the most marginalized communities had a voice in the fight against British rule. Accamma Cherian passed away on May 5, 1980, but her legacy lives on. Her story is a testament to the vital role women played in India's fight for freedom. She showed the courage, determination, and leadership know no gender. Her life continues to inspire new generations to stand up for justice and equality. Accamma's legacy is also preserved through various memorials and commemorations. Streets and institutions in Kerala have been named in her honor, and her story is included in the history curriculum to inspire young minds. Her life is a powerful reminder of the strength and resilience of women in the face of adversity. Accamma's contributions were officially recognized by the Government of India when she was honored with the Tamra Patra, a commemorative copper plate for her role in the freedom struggle. Despite this recognition, her story remains lesser known outside Kerala. Efforts are ongoing to bring more attention to her remarkable contributions and ensure that her legacy is remembered and celebrated. Accamma Cherian's life is a remarkable saga of courage, sacrifice, and dedication. She stands as a symbol of the indomitable spirit of the Indian freedom struggle. Her story is not just a chapter in history, but a continuing source of inspiration for all those who strive for justice and equality. As we remember her contributions, we are reminded of the countless unsung heroes who fought for India's independence and the enduring impact they have left on the nation. Hope you found Accamma Cherian's story as inspiring as we did. Her legacy reminds us of the countless sacrifices made by freedom fighters to secure the liberty we enjoy today. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the past to understand the present and shape the future.